Welcome, fellow traders and investors. It's Christopher Mullen here from ALGOTRADES.net, the founder of the ALGOTRADES systems, and I'd like to share with you our two new improved trading strategies that we will be releasing on September 1st. Now, we've got some pretty incredible results in the last 21 days with our day trading system up 49.3% on a $15,000 account. But before we get into the details, let's just kind of go back real quick one step. AlgoTrades, we are a provider of automated investing and trading systems. And of course, we have important disclosures for the CFTC. We have to put in these hypothetical or simulated performance, no indication of future performance. So you can pause this screen, read through that if you like. Getting back to the good charts here. As you can see, we've had some awesome performance in the last month worth of trading. This is our intraday system, and you can see our account has grown from 46,500 up to 53,900. Now, this is before commissions and slippage. If you were to remove commissions and slippage, we'd give back some of those gains, but overall, the system is performing exceptionally well in this high rotation, high volatility market where we're getting big price gaps and large runs and trend reversals intraday. Now let's just quickly jump into the philosophy behind our systems and our philosophy behind the stock market. In short, we believe that the market has some tradable structure. Some of it is obviously very random, but there is enough for it to be tradable. The market does have some manipulation, no doubt about it, but there's nothing you can do about it. And of course, we can work around that. Now, we can make money based on technical analysis, and we can use risk and position management. Those are the key components to making money from the market. Now, I prefer myself, I love day trading, I love momentum trading and swing trading. All of them are active and they provide very nice returns in a short period of time. And that's what we've built our trading systems around. We do get some intraday trades. We have momentum trades which last over 1 or 2 days. And then we've got swing trades that can last several weeks at a time. All built within our systems. Gives you the complete rounded picture and a complete basket of different strategies and time frames that are traded for diversification. Now, trading instrument of choice is the futures. We focus on the ES mini contract. And we believe strategies can be automated. I've got a lot of different trading strategies that we've converted into being automated, and they have worked out exceptionally well. Now, why use systems? Basically, it's simply we know the expected results or the somewhat expected results. We can backtest, we can see how it's handled certain situations, and then we can run live and we can get a feel for what we should expect going forward roughly. Of course, people are lazy in nature. They don't want to sit in front of a computer and wait for bars to load and develop and trigger trades. And of course, ourselves, we are our own worst enemy. We break our rules, we overbet, we skip trades, we try, when we get involved, typically we end up ruining a system that would work if we were to just follow the rules. Of course, we have the lack of self-discipline, skills, or time. It doesn't matter where you fall in there. We pretty much all are missing some skills, available time, or the self-discipline during extreme market conditions. And of course, we use systems so we can provide ourselves and catch more opportunities in the market. You may love to still trade manually, but why not have a portion of your account being traded for you using a different set of strategies that adds diversification to your portfolio and potentially an income stream? And of course, there is money and position management rules built into trading systems so that you don't have to fall back to your self-discipline to set stops, to take profits off, to cut your losses when a trend or momentum or something has shifted against your position. Now, we have two automated trading systems. The first one I showed you there, the chart, was the AlgoTrades Intraday S10. That is a system that runs on the 10-minute chart, and it will have intraday trades, and it'll actually have trades that last up to several days. But it is focused on intraday 10-minute bar price action. We also have an AlgoTrades Investor System, a D30, which is a combination between the 10-minute chart strategy and our 30-minute strategy. And the nice thing about the D30, D stands for dual because it's trading dual systems, intraday and the swing trading investor system. The nice thing about them trading together is that they can hedge each other and lower the potential drawdown. So for example, say the 30-minute chart gets into a long swing trade and then the market rolls over and starts to sell off. Could be news, could just be the downward momentum hasn't fully stalled out yet. Well, the intraday system will see that intraday selling and it will go short, actually hedging the long contracts that we have with the swing trading strategy. So during times of weakness or when we get volatility, those two systems can work together in reducing losses, putting your account into a hedged position until the market starts to lose that downward momentum against your investment strategy. And as the market starts to rotate around, the intraday system will exit its position and it'll likely get long, and you'll actually be trading with two systems in the new direction, which is up. So very powerful system. During trending markets, these two systems can be long together or short together, but during intraday chop volatile markets, these systems can actually be in different directions, hedging each other during this whipsaw type of price action. Now here's the intraday S10 system. Here you can see in the last 21 days, it has generated roughly $7,400 in gain. Of course, it's a 49% return on investment with a $15,000 trading account. Of course, this system running here in this portfolio started obviously with much more than $15,000, but it doesn't require this amount of money. So the account's gone from 46.5 up to 53.9, which is pretty decent return on your investment for 1 month of not having to do anything, hands-free trading. Now, if you look at the SP 500, it's pretty much flat on the session. We saw the market sell off, had a little bounce, continued to fade back down. It's had a little pop in the last couple of days, but overall, the SP 500 has been flat, while we have generated a potential 49.3% return. Now, mind you, this does not include slippage or commission, so we could knock off potentially $500,000 off the gain there to cover the trades that were the contracts that were traded. Now, if we take a look at the investing system is a combination between the swing trading 30-minute chart and the intraday chart. Of course, right now the heavy lifting has been done from the intraday system. It's really doing all the heavy lifting for more or less the system. It's been trading very actively during this choppy market condition, and the swing trading strategy has caused a little bit of more selling, a little more dormancy in its trades. But when the market breaks out of this range, this really choppy, volatile action that we've seen really for over 8 months in the market, this investor system will kick into high gear, and when the market starts trending higher or lower, we'll be seeing much larger gains, and all the heavy lifting will be done by this swing trading system. While the intraday system will still be playing those intraday whipsaws, the bigger gains per trade will be all done with the investor system. So the combination of the two systems has generated 18.78%, and of course you need more money to trade the dual system because there are two different strategies involved. So with a $35,000 account, nearly 20% return in 21 days. Now, if we go and take a look at the actual charts themselves, let's just go to the 10-minute chart. So this is the SP 500, about going back 15 days. This is the 10-minute chart and strategy. And when the bars are red, the system has identified the trend is down. And when you see these SS letters, these, of course, some of these are just false signals that show up on the chart, but live trading chart doesn't actually show all the potential signals. But long story short here, when we get a red trend, we get an SS signal. We had short trade back here. Eventually the trend reversed. We get orange bars, and the shorts are exited. We have a green B down here. System gets long for the new trend. It hits a T1 target, which is its first target to lock in gains. And of course, the stop will move right up to break even, plus a couple ticks to cover some commissions if it does roll over on us. And of course, the market continues to go up. There's potentials for multiple entries in the market. And of course, as the market starts to roll over, it'll exit its long position. We get a short trade, and we play the downtrend here, could have another short downtrend. You have the occasional buy and sell with some chatter that happens with the intraday charts. Of course, we had a long play, hit another T1 target. Of course, the stop moved to break even again. As the price fell through it, we exited the balance of that position, came back down, and we've just seen the market continue to have all these trades, which I showed you is the performance on the chart, the graph that I showed you a couple moments ago. So we get short, of course, system went long, hit another T1, and markets rolled back over. It's going short. We're now getting into somewhat of a bearish trend with red bars again. So this is what the intraday system looks like. Now, if we were to go to the 30-minute system, this is the same time frame pretty much. This would be equivalent time frame on the chart from what we were just looking at. 30-minute system has several or fewer trades. More or less, we were in a downtrend. We had a buy signal here. We got long. We hit our target 1. Price came up. We had a couple false signals chopping around where we exit our long, get short, and we get long again, short. Eventually, we got short over here, had a drop down, covered our short, got long, and then got short again. And we saw the price come down, hit another T1, big drop to the downside. And we've really only seen another long play over here and a short trade, and it's really just been neutral here. Only a couple trades have really taken place on the 30-minute chart, but once the markets start to trend, this system will start to catch multiple large bounces in the market and large sell-offs that happen on a bigger time frame basis. Now, just quickly going back to the table here, if you want to learn more about the systems and get involved with us, you can. We've got an automatic E-mini contract rollover kind of settings built into the system. So again, there's no software to trade. You don't have to worry about switching contracts for the futures as they do expire over time. Our system automatically knows which contract to be trading. We run everything on dedicated servers. We have this special auto sync technology, so it just links, our system will link directly into your brokerage account, so you don't need to manage software, install anything. There's nothing that needs to be done on your end. Of course, we have direct email and phone support, and we have a monthly newsletter. So we update all of our users with our systems, our performance, and our forecasts of what we should expect looking forward in the next month with the systems and the overall market. Now, we do have a book that explains the strategy, the basic strategies and analysis behind our systems through my book that I've published called Technical Trading Mastery, 7 Steps to Win with Logic. Now, just for watching this, if you give me your email or send me an email at info@algotrades.net, I can send you a free copy of this book, a digital version for you to review. And if you have any questions, you can get back to me, but it's jam-packed full with some really great type of analysis and ways to apply indicators to your charts that is a little different than how other people do it, and is probably one of the reasons why our system is so effective. So hopefully you found it really interesting. September 1st, we'll be launching our systems, or releasing our improved systems. And so you can here's our contact information. You can get a hold of us there. Visit our website at www.algotrades.net. Take care. Bye-bye.